Hi, Edie Beans with a little house of beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I'll be making a Zucchini Bisquick bake. Now this recipe is super special. My friend Brian Quinn loves zucchini, so we made a Zucchini Bisquick bake. This recipe goes back to the many Thanksgivings I spent in Staten Island, New York. The recipe and all the products you see here that I use will be in the description below. Please do us a huge favor, click that like button. I want to see many thumbs up. Hit the notification bell and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm ready to make this Zucchini Bisquick bake. Let's cook.